welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video is a no foundation makeup tutorial. I'm going to share with you how to do a full face makeup without using any foundation. All we are going to use today is concealer. We are going to use different kind of concealers for the full face without any foundation. So follow me as I show you from the beginning to the end how I do this. To begin with, I'm going to do my brow. When I draw my brow, I don't worry about it if it is straight or not, because I'm going to use my concealer to clean it. So I'm going to use this color. It looks like a sandalwood. Now that I'm done with the cut crease, I'm going to use a little bit of powder. I'm going to use this powder looking a little bit like yellowish, but it's not. I'm going to use it with this little bit. This is a little bit like glitter, soft glitter. I'm going to use it and apply it onto it. I'm using it to set the cut crease. I'm blending it in. That will cut the harsh line between the previously made eyeshadow and then the cut crease. I'm using just a light brown powder to cut the line between the eyebrow and then the eyeshadow, to just blend it in. To prime my face, I'm going to use this primer. It's Pretty Face. The concealer I'm going to use today is this brown one. It's like a concealer stick. It's Primark Revelation Conceal and Define. It's my perfect color. It's also concealer, so I'm going to use these 3 concealers today for my face. That's all I'm going to use, no foundation. To start with, I go in with the brown one. I go and look for all the spots on my face. I cover all the spots using the brown concealer. I go in with the second concealer stick. I go onto my forehead, onto my face. That is going to replace my foundation. So this is all I'm going to use today. I'm sure you've seen this brush before. It's my all-in-one brush. It does almost everything. It can blend anything that you put on your face. I make sure it is well blended. Everything is blended in. I'm going to use my third concealer underneath my eye. to use my blending sponge. Now that I'm done with my face, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the stick onto my forehead again.
Perfect.
Now that I'm done with applying my concealers on all the part of my face, I'm going to go in with my powder. Today's powder that I'm using is a poreless powder. I'm going to go in with my brush onto it, underneath my eye. That's how it looks. It's poreless. It hides any pore that you have. I'm going to go onto my forehead using this brown powder. So the next I'm going to use this powder is a mixture of powder that I made myself, different type of powders to match my color. I'm going to go in a little bit. So much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new, give this video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below and I'll be back to reply you. Thank you for joining me and see you in my next video. Bye.